This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me Abada. Biggie man, wait to be Abada. What's it gonna be? Chihuahua come, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? Chihuahua.
Christmas shopping has begun. We are currently at Jet. I'm with Sake and my aunt. Sake, do you want to say hi? Want to say hi? So nice, I can't help hide the sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm calling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now.
and bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah.
Hey my honeys, Molwenis Tandozami, welcome back to my channel. This is Usiona Bao and this is my channel, baby. Happy Sunday. I just came back from church. So yeah guys, I thought I should just greet y'all. Like, I've been doing such a bad job with this vlog. I literally started this vlog on Friday and I'm actually speaking to you guys for the first time. I'm sorry guys, but I promise I will do better. I've just been so busy. So Friday and Saturday I went to town to buy a few things for the house, obviously, like lunchbox and essentials, and then I bought some Christmas clothes for the baby. I wasn't really shopping for Christmas exactly. I had a bit of money in my account and I thought, why not start now? Because I saw some really cute stuff at Jet and Ackermans and I decided that, you know what, let me buy this, because if I wait for November they might be out of stock. So I got a few things for the baby for Christmas. So yeah guys, I thought I should just greet y'all and say happy Sunday. I'm not working today. Oh, I'm working. I have a lesson at night and I also have a meeting at 9 o'clock. So yeah guys, I think I'll see you later. And I'll have to like redo these curls before my meeting because I look like a mess. But yeah, I also want to show you guys my fit real quick. Like nothing much. I was looking so simple but beautiful.
Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come out.
Yeah, because somebody from booking told us that all our consultants are busy and you have to wait. Yeah.
Ooh. So tell me, how long did you actually wait until your issue is resolved?
I think 40 minutes, 40 minutes, and we need to, send them information that this is our reservation, and we got some information from, owner of apartment that the apartment is already
reserved for somebody else. Oh, that sucks.
But we decided to go.
Now you had to pay for a room that is actually 3 times expensive than the room that you had initially booked. So you had to pay that amount, or you paid the original amount that you had booked for previously. Which one was it? You had to...
Yes, we had to pay both situation. The first one we paid,
Wow, that's crazy.
No, go
But do you believe them? Do you think
as that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
That is actually true. Our next lesson will be next week, Saturday, on the 19th of August at 8 o'clock. Why is it that I actually thought we have a lesson tomorrow? That means I actually enjoy spending time with you, because I thought we have a lesson tomorrow, but it's okay. Oh, we had a lesson yesterday, which was Saturday, and then we have another lesson today, which is Sunday. So we're gonna have our next lesson also on Saturday. Wow. Okay, enjoy the rest of your week, Michael. And I've also sent you, actually I will send you more notes based on the idiom as good as did, right? So I need you to practice that and familiarize yourself with more idioms, because that will really, really, really help you improve your vocabulary. And our lesson has come to an end now. Thank you so much for your time, Michael. It was an absolute pleasure. Have a lovely evening. Do widzenia.
Thank you. You too, and see you soon. Do widzenia. Bye. See you.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye, see you.
These are the notes. These are the notes. Morning, my honeys. It is the next day. It is a Monday morning, and it's actually hot today, so I want to wake up and wash my blankets. Oh, it's really getting warm. I want to wash some of these blankets and put them away. I'm probably going to leave one blanket here and also change my bedding. So I thought I should just give y'all an update. Also, I'm not working today, so let me clean up my space and do all of that. I also did my hair, guys. It's been a hectic weekend, but I doubt that I showed y'all some clean, cute cornrows or whatever. Yeah. So let's wake up and wash my blankets. guys, so I am done with work, like cleaning up. Hey guys, so I'm done cleaning up the house. I also took a bath and then I made myself a nice sandwich and a cup of coffee. So now I'm about to eat. Exactly. It shouldn't be something that exactly, it shouldn't be something that is done on a daily basis. Like, it should be done occasionally, as you said, from time to time. Exactly. Oh. Living a healthy lifestyle is difficult, though. Living a healthy lifestyle is one of the difficult things on earth. That's what I can tell you. Like, having to eat healthy, drink water, limit your coffee consumption, limit your sweet life. Jobs that they feel like they are better for. You know, if you feel like you are better for something, stay away from it. Hey honeys, so today it is a Wednesday and I'm here to officially close off this vlog, and I don't think I'm gonna post this vlog today because I have a very busy day. I am working today and I missed a lesson yesterday, my university online lessons, so I'll have to catch up on that. So I don't think I'm gonna post this vlog today. I've already started editing, but I just need to like add a few things and also add the intro. Also, yesterday I couldn't finish editing and I didn't vlog yesterday because my baby was sick. So remember I told you on Monday I was off, I wasn't working, so I decided to do some cleaning. I washed my blankets, I cleaned up the house, blah 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 blah. You saw all of that. So I actually realized that, oh snap, the baby missed her 2-year-old shot for immunization. So I took her for that, and afterwards, as soon as we got home, she started being sick. She was nauseous, she was complaining about stomach cramps, she couldn't eat anything, she was throwing up, and guys, it was a lot. And literally when we woke up yesterday, the blankets were a mess. To think that I washed those blankets on Monday, and when we woke up yesterday, the baby had messed up on the blanket. So I had to clean up that mess and then take her to the doctor. So she got an injection and the doctor suspects that she might be allergic to the medication that she got, which is strange, but she's getting better now, slowly but surely. They gave her lots and lots of them. So yeah, she's slowly getting better. And I also just finished working, so I thought I should just come here to close off this vlog. Thank you so much for watching till this far. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much, my honey. Oh, before I close off this vlog, guys, I want to do like a mini unboxing with you guys. It's sneakers that my boyfriend got me on my birthday. So he didn't get them exactly on my birthday. He bought these sneakers before my birthday and then he gave them to me on my birthday. When we came back from Stanton, he was like, girl, I have a surprise for you. So yeah, let's get straight to the unboxing.
That's not
play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100.